Welcome to the Investment Process Channel. I am C3 Christopher Campbell. This channel where we teach people how to create generational wealth through trading. Let's get into week 3 of 2025. We have had a lot of good things going on. We're going to go over gold. We'll do some NAS, S&P, Bitcoin. If we have time, we'll go ahead and get to, we'll also do NVIDIA. So let's get into the week 3. Okay, here we are with gold. For my trading plan last week, price came right back into this area. As you can see, it even came all the way down to, what is this? What was the low on here? 26.24.6. Let's look at the daily and see why that might have happened. I don't see any imbalance. Look at the weekly. I don't see anything. It's probably on the lower time frame, 4 hour. A little bit of imbalance there on the 4 hour. That's why. So that's why we got that little dip down. See, here it is on the hour. Price came right back into that area after coming into this imbalance on the daily, and tapped that as well. So it did exactly what we wanted to do. Gold is bullish again. We got a breaker structure right here on the daily. Barely. But after that, you see it just kind of took off, leaving behind this imbalance right here. So beginning of the week will be very interesting if we see a pullback. Let's go ahead and clean this up now. Go ahead and do the trading plan for the week and see how we can participate in the market as it stands now. Okay, for the monthly, we see we have a bullish candle, and weekly as well, strong bullish. Have this high here has created an imbalance from last week, 26.81. So we have price coming back into this area. Let's go ahead and look at our daily, see what that looks like. So price may not come all the way back down here to 26.81. But we do have this imbalance down here to this daily. Just be cautious. We're gonna look on a lower time frame in 1 second, but right now have a breaker structure here. This is our new high we're trying to take out. This we wanted to go to and through. What was the close of this? 27.56.7. We want to get a close above that on the daily, and then have it pull back and then continue up. Right now, price is at a premium, as we know. Pull out my Fibonacci. So let me run it all the way across here. Price is at a premium. We really want price to come back to this right there. We want price to come back to that weekly imbalance and then continue up. That would be ideal, but it looks like it may only make it back to, like I said here, 26.96. So let's do a plan for that. I don't see it retracing and breaking this low here. So we're just looking for opportunities to get in and still, you know, if you guys did not position on Friday, the accounts I trade, I can't hold over the weekend. So I'll be looking for position probably, you know, Monday or Tuesday, depending on how far it pulls back on Monday or tonight. Let's draw. I think this is our range here. from this point, and that's our high. We broke this, broke the structure here, created the imbalance. So we're looking to have a breaker structure up here. Okay, here. All right. So this is our daily. Daily range. Again, I'm going to leave this weekly imbalance line there while we dig a little deeper. Okay, 4 hour. Not really showing us much. This is why I said we wanted to pull all the way back here. It may not. Looking at this 4 hour, it might just come right back to here and continue up. And again, knowing that we're going to hit resistance here at 27.61. There's a move in there. The move would have been all the way back down here, right? Here's a higher low. Another one on a 4 hour. Anywhere here, once it created that imbalance, grab it here. So again, that's what I'm saying. Like, yeah, okay, I'll put one right here on this daily. So yeah, we'll be looking for price to pull back and touch this daily candle. If it does reach all the way back there or back to here, definitely be looking for buys. Get a buy position. Look for that confirmation, and look for it to break this this high here of 27.23. 27.23. If we break this high, we know it's going to continue up, right? So, and again, the goal is to take out our daily high up here. This is our next next high that we're trying to take out to get a confirmation that gold is continuing up. Right now, we have all the signs here. Low, higher low, higher low, high, higher high, higher high. Everything is saying that it's taken out, broke this structure here. It broke this previous high here. It's showing that it's moving up now. So our next target is 27.56, and then let me go ahead and clone this. And then 2,800. So that's the plan for the week. Again, we're looking for pullback. We're not looking for it to a reverse. I don't think it's going to reverse. Overall, the month is bullish. Week's been bullish. I think gold's just going to continue up. So looking for position in one of these two places. That would be ideal. Let me say it like this, if it does not retrace, wait for it to take out this 27.56 high. It'll retrace, and at that point, set up a new range and then enter the market. Just be patient if you do not already have position. If you do not already have position, be patient. It's highly likely that it's going to take out this this high within the next couple of days, at least sometime this week. So let's go over here to NAS. So here's NAS. It took out this imbalance down here on Friday. Will it continue down? We don't know. We see it left this imbalance right here at, what is this low? 21, 21.7, 5. And what we're looking for is confirmation that it's done. We have this equal low here on this candle. What is this low? 2805.75. So it may still come and touch into this area. A little bit of imbalance left down here on this daily that we saw a while ago. It may tap into that. Right now, we're more concerned with, okay, we're mainly concerned with this equal low here. It has a little small wick, but it's pretty much an equal low. So price may come down and clean this up. Price took off from there too quickly on a daily. But again, we're looking for that. Let's go ahead and clean the rest of this up and do our plan for the week. Okay, our plan for week 3, 2025, trading plan for NASDAQ. Bearish candle, clearly the month was trying to clean up this imbalance right here from the two previous month. Well, no, the previous month, not last month, but the previous month that it left behind. It went down towards it. Again, that's that equal low right there, showing that it may still have a little bit further to go. It may still have a little further to go. Again, I don't think NAS is just going to flip and just start dropping out the bottom. As you can see, clearly the market's trying to clean itself up. So with that, just be cautious about your positioning. If you're trying to take a short down to these other areas, same thing. Wait for your confirmation. Wait for your breaker structure. Like in this case, you would want, this is our weekly. That's cleaned up. No imbalance left behind. Let's look at this daily. Daily, see, there's a imbalance right there. So let me make this look a little bit more presentable. There you go. It took out that equal high there. So again, equal low, still got this imbalance down here. And again, if we go back to that monthly, this is that imbalance way down here. The price may not come all the way back here because the monthly is telling us like, hey, we've already cleaned that up. Weekly is telling us the same thing, like, hey, put in support here. It's continuing up. Right now, only thing I see is it cleaning up this imbalance and stuff. So 21.75. We're looking for price to come back into that area, then continue down. I don't see it flipping right now. There's a little imbalance right here, but it broke this low, breaker structure here. So if you're gonna continue, if you're gonna run it down to the bottom, then yeah, let's wait for that confirmation. I would just tell you to be patient. The larger move is coming. It is coming. Be patient. Be patient. The larger move is coming. However, I know there's going to be some people down there trying to short that down to this equal low, or at least to break this structure on this daily candle here. So yeah, there's what it looks like. Might get even better and come back into 21.233.5. Regardless, that's what we're looking for. We're looking for price to pull back into this area and then continue down and take out that equal low. See, there's the candle right there. These two candles. Very close, very close. And that's a 4 hour. That's a 4 hour. So, let's go back out to daily. So this is our range. Looking for price to pull back into this area and continue down. There's the equal low. Maybe price will come all the way down here to 253.25. If you're looking to get shorts down to that area, again, be cautious. The market will. We know we looked on the monthly that it's probably going to be some support somewhere right around here, 819. So if you're waiting for the bigger move, be patient, wait for it. It's coming. If you're, if you think you have to get in a trade, just use your system, use your process before entering the market. That's all I can say. All right, let's go over here to S&P. Right now, same thing as NAS. We are looking overall. Right now, it's bearish, showing us lower highs. Took out this imbalance here. So it's a little bit more clear as to why it continued down, especially on the daily. Still got some imbalance down here as well. Let's take a look and let's clean this up and take a look at what the plan is for the week. So this is the opposite of NAS. NAS, you can see on a monthly why it was coming back. Here on S&P, you can see on a daily why it was pulling back into that area. But right now you see the monthly is bearish. Will it come back into 58.50, 75 before continuing up? Who knows? We got this pretty much an equal low here with these two monthly candles. So will it take that out? Probably not. Probably will test it a little. I don't think it'll get all the way down there. Let's look at the weekly. Weekly, we're not showing any imbalance. Probably a little one right here. I think more so on the daily, we were seeing more of the imbalances and why we have here. Oh, here we go. So we have our equal low on the weekly, and on NAS it was on the daily. So price may come back all the way down to here with that little touch of imbalance. It may come all the way back down to there. Let's look at that. What's that on the monthly? It may stick it out. It may stick it out. Not sure. Let's look at this daily. So with that equal low, still had that imbalance right here. Price touched it last week on a daily. Still got this imbalance all the way down here on the daily. Equal low here as well. All right, so yeah, let's back up. I think that's something to be looked at. I don't know necessarily to be focused on as we were looking at the monthly, but we do have these here on a daily, and it seems like S&P has been cleaning up our daily. Here's our new range. Again, we'll be looking for price to pull back into 59.29.25. Continue down, take out this low of 58.13.50. And if it does that, it'll continue down here to this equal low 57.35.5. That'll be our new target. Right now, it's not showing that it's turning around. We'll have to get like maybe resistance here at 58.13 and get a confirmation to see that the market is changing and going back bullish. But right now, it looks like it's just cleaning up previous imbalances from last year. So that's the plan for S&P. Let's go over here to Bitcoin. Bitcoin, we got a spike and then a drop back down, clean it up, clean up that push for last week. Try to clean up this imbalance and then continue down. Again, I think our entry point we posted it was way lower, and we based it off the monthly. So yes, we're looking for price to continue down till it gets. Here we have a gap here. This is the daily. So let's take a look at the monthly again, and then do our plan for Bitcoin for right now. Okay, here's Bitcoin 74,470. We're looking for price to come back into that area again. Monthly, we had a bearish candle last month. We looking at a doji currently, where prices retraced. It actually tapped into this previous month's low. Look at a weekly. See, again, we have this major gap right here. I really think price is going to come back into this area at some point. This is the weekly high, lower high. Until we get confirmation that price is coming back the other way. That almost looked like it. Well, we'll see. This previous week did not break this low or any other low. So let's keep an eye out. But it also did not break a high. So right now it may just be consolidating. It did not break this high of 103.66. Excuse me. Yes. 103.660. 103.660 did not break that high. So I'm still looking for price to pull back. So we have an imbalance right here. Price may pull back to, this is the daily. This is our new range here. If you're going to short down here into the imbalance of 74,470, look for price to pull back into this area. This is our range for our daily. If it does not, I mean, again, we're looking for confirmation. We want confirmation either way. Confirmation right now would look like a daily close above 99,570. That would let me know price is going to continue up. Right now we don't have that, so I have a breaker structure here. So in my mind, price is going to continue down. It may come back and clean this up and then continue down. That's what we wanted to do. That would be ideal for a nice short, come back into premium and then continue down. Other than that, we'll be looking for price to break this this low here of 92,140. Get a daily close below that, we'll know the price is going to continue down. And then probably go to 88.05. That'll probably be our next target. That'll be our next target. So again, if you have any questions on Bitcoin, please feel free to leave a comment. So we'll get back into NVIDIA in week 4. Kind of ran out of time, but if you have any questions, please feel free to send me a message, make a comment on the weekly trading plan, and I'll respond to it as soon as possible. ASAP. Gotcha. So again, this is week 3 of the trading plan of 2025. We went over gold, NASDAQ, S&P, and Bitcoin. You have a great trading week. This is the Investment Process Channel.